How to set up family sharing and parental control between iPhone parent and iPhone child. First, take the parent's iPhone and open the Settings app. At the top of the screen, tap on your Apple ID name. Now, tap on Family and then tap Continue. Next, tap Create Child Account if your child does not already have an Apple ID. If your child already has an Apple ID, tap Invite Others and enter their Apple ID email address. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter the child's name and date of birth, then tap Create Child Account. You may also be asked to verify parental consent using your payment method or Apple ID verification. Now, tap the Agree button to accept the terms and conditions. Next, create a child Apple ID and set a password. Now, add a phone number or choose an existing one. Next, set a passcode for parental controls. Once the child's account is created, it will automatically be added to your family group. Now you can manage parental controls. Go back to Settings, tap Screen Time, and then select your child's name under the Family section. Here you can set up different controls such as downtime to limit device usage at certain times, app limits to control how long apps can be used, content and privacy restrictions to block inappropriate content, purchase approvals so the child must ask before buying apps. Now, take the child's iPhone and sign in with the child's Apple ID you just created. Once signed in, the parental controls and family sharing settings will automatically apply to the child's device. And that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful and easy tutorials.